All right, when you're in Excel and you have a column with values, so let's say there's a whole bunch of values, 0, and there's like 1, 2, like whatever. It doesn't really make a whole lot of difference. Let's see, 2, 3, 1, whatever. So you got this column and it has data in it. You can either highlight just the cells that you care for, or if you click on the column above, and then if you go under conditional formatting, there's this highlight cell rules, and then you go to greater than, and if you just type 0, and then here you can format like what color you want it to be. So let's say maybe you want it to be green. So this is classic. Format only cells that contain cell values greater than 0, and you click OK. Then you'll see that any cell that has a value greater than 0 will be highlighted green. It'll only apply to that particular column. So here, if you make like another column or whatnot, it won't apply to that column, but you could do it separately here, where you could go conditional, anything that's greater than 0 in this column. You can say, well, let's make this one red, and then there you go. So that's how it should work. If you have a different version of Excel, somewhere there's conditional formatting. I know in the older version of Excel, there's a menu tab that says Style, and in Style there's conditional formatting. So that's actually probably the easiest way for you.